is the typical implementation timeline for an MDM? Generally, for large enterprises or medium to large enterprises or extra large enterprises, it could vary from weeks to months, and some of the organizations are taking even years. But we know that small and medium enterprises or small and medium businesses, they would like to have a rapid deployment, quick start. Thus, PiLog has come up with a MDM solution that can be set up from the subscription, activation and setup in less than 60 minutes. And this is something that we are throwing challenge onto ourselves, on our teams, so that we can use a lot of augmented methodologies and augmented models to activate the subscription and usage of that MDM solution on cloud in less than 60 minutes.